3 divided by 15. Here 15 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 15. 15 times 0, 0, 15 times 1, 15, 15 times 2, 30. To find out the multiplication table of 15, just set 15 with the previous step. 0 plus 15, 15, 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 15, 45, 45 plus 15, 60, 60 plus 15, 75, 75 plus 15, 90. 15 goes into 3 how many times? 0 times, as 3 is less than 15. 0 times 15, 0. Subtract 3. To continue this process, take here decimal and add zeros. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 15 goes into 30 how many times? 15 goes into 30 2 times. 2 times 15. 2 times 15, that gives you 30. Let me check. 2 times 15. 2 times 5, 10. Write 0. Carry 1 to the next column. And 2 times 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 30. Now subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, so you are done. So your answer is 0.2.